As NASA prepares to send humans to the Moon and Mars, and peer even deeper into the universe, we turn with a renewed focus to our home planet of Earth. The next generation of Earth science begins with the new Earth System Observatory. The core of the observatory is an array of 5 new satellite missions that will study the atmosphere, the ground, and even what's happening underneath the surface.
These spacecraft will look at the Earth, each one of them their own way, and will integrate all the data in a common approach.
Taken together as a single observatory, we will have a complete 3-dimensional understanding of our Earth systems, how they work together, how one change can influence another. It will watch our planet change, driving solutions for better living, managing water and food resources, predicting natural hazards, coping with sea level rise in coastal communities and heat islands in our cities.
Every 10 years, the best scientists in the United States and worldwide come together and create a strategy, the decadal strategy. And it recommended that we build missions that together form an Earth System Observatory.
We're going to be looking at processes at the microphysical scale, at the large kind of convective scale, at the smaller scale in the oceans, and we're going to be investigating those, pulling that out, encapsulating that, putting that into weather models and climate models, and those are going to allow us to predict and project the future with far more confidence.
We can, from space, help farmers. We can help others that grow food around the Earth.
If there is an earthquake, we can get our models better, and from there we can predict better also in the future.
We can monitor fresh water both on the surface and underground to help water managers, both for communities as well as agriculture.
To build the observatory, we will expand our partnerships with commercial companies and international space agencies to take advantage of innovation and new technology.
We recognize, because of the global nature of the issues at hand, we want international partners to be part of that also. We're working together, and the science that we're doing has to serve all of us.
NISAR is our first major partnership with the Indian Space Agency in Earth science. It brings together 2 different kinds of radar systems that together will see changes in our Earth's surface that will help us predict natural hazards in the future.
The NISAR mission will measure changes in Earth's surface less than a centimeter across. It will measure the movement of glaciers and ice sheets, the dynamics of earthquakes and volcanoes, and changes in farmland.
We will observe the Earth every 12 days exactly at the right repeat pass orbit. We can study small changes in the Earth system sciences.
The Earth's climate is changing. We have documented the changes that we're seeing over the last few decades. We know that it's being driven by human activities, and it's absolutely essential that we continue to understand what's happening, what's changing, in order to better predict what's going to happen and perhaps help people make better choices.
Understanding how our planet and its climate are changing is the foundation for a more resilient and sustainable future. NASA's Earth System Observatory is the next step in this ongoing mission, a mission to the only planet we can call home.